Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Winter Frost Week 4 quest about the Fashion Wave memory. Take a photo of Highland Poppy. So to complete this quest, it's very easy. First, just plant your Highland Poppy seed. You can get the seed from the NPC plant in the Onsen mountain. And then after that, just plant the Highland Poppy like this until it blooms like this, and then after that just simply tap on your camera icon like this and then adjust the camera angle like this, and after that just tap on capture and your quest will be complete automatically like this in here. And next you can just claim your rewards like this. As you can see, the quests are complete like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!